Okay, my name is Sam. I'm here to perform warm and cold compression. I come in, introduce myself to the patients. Uh, hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
What's your name? What's your last name and date of birth?
My last name is Musa. My date was June 8th.
Okay. So I'm gonna at this point provide the security, privacy, and then make sure double check the order. If it's the right patient, I did that already. So I filled up some warm water that is not too hot, not too cold. So just the right temperature. And I will ask the patient too if it is too hot. So at this time, I'm going to put on my gloves, grab my my washcloth, rinse it, and at this time I'll put something underneath. I will put a towel under here or a chalk under the sides. In this case, I'm gonna put that put a compress on the leg here. So does it feel, how is it cold or is it very hot?
No.
Okay, so just leave it in there. I can go ahead and do a little tape if needed, and leave it in place per the provider prescription. It can stay up to 30 minutes in place. The other option is the cold compress. Is I can get an ice pack. For the ice pack, I won't put directly on the patient's skin. I will put it wrap it around in a towel or put in a pillow and then put it on the patient, and so that it can be left in place as ordered. So that is the end of that video.